Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let us first open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar let's enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then tap to OK, again OK, and go back. After that, tap to switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now the process is finished, and let's go, for example, into the Google search to see the new look of our device keyboard. And as we can see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.